It's very crunchy underfoot. Very warm today. It's about 31, I think, today. Another hot one. Just me washing. Just literally trying to keep the garden alive. I have been enjoying all the butterflies. There's been a lot of gatekeeper butterflies flying around. I might move my camera back down to the bottom because it's not picking anything up. I just don't think it's going to pick anything up, but I think my Rebecca needs a watering later on when it's not in the sun anymore. Yeah, another warm day and everything getting really crunchy and underfoot. As I say, Jessie's better now after last week of her ear infection. Oh, 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 it's a it was a bug. So yeah, so she was scratching it today. So I hope it's not coming back again. But she's got to have a follow-up appointment. So yeah, didn't do any filming last week because I was just really anxious about the cat. So didn't really want to be doing any filming because it just made my anxiety a bit high. Look, you got me. This me washing's getting lovely and dry and blowing in the wind, and the little grass is all blowing. I've done a little bit of thing for the flowers that are all managing to flower in this heat. But I'm not complaining. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's like being abroad. It's like being on holiday. Lovely, 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 lovely. But yeah, the tree's starting to drop some apples and leaves and everything. I have to keep an eye on my pond to make sure that it's not dropping it all in there. But I don't know where. Can you hear that crunch? It's so crunchy. But I don't think my. Oh, see, there's an apple. Oh, let me turn the apple. Try not to drop my phone in there, but let's get that apple out. Apple bobbing. The thing is, it gets like all little snails and things on, so I don't like to pull them out. So I try to get them all off. But there's the water lily. I don't know whether seems to be all right. And then we put some other stuff in, but I don't know whether it's doing well or not. Seems to be all right. The leaf, but yeah, it is what it is. Oh, be. But yeah, this bed's looking still flattering. It says it only in the sun in the morning, so it tends to. I've been watering, so one tends to be out of the midday. So doing all right. I might need to give that a drink, but yeah, not really. It's been sitting and doing a bit of embroidery and that sort of thing. Not using the thing that I made. It's too cumbersome. Marl's too cumbersome, so I'm not using it now. So it's a good job I didn't buy one. I wouldn't have been very happy. It's just really, yeah, cumbersome. I don't like it. I don't know what that spider's doing. Looks like he's doing a dance. I don't know if I can get him in. Let me see. He might be doing. Can you see? What are you doing? Oh, nature. Nature's amazing. So, yep. got the gazebo. So the gazebo has been, we had to lower it. I think, when did we lower it? Sunday. I think we lowered it. I got bitten. Went over the cemetery and got some nasty bites. So really, they were the first ones. I managed to do quite well this year without getting any bites. Oh, Pigeon having a little drink out of the bird bath. Let's see if I can get him in. Can you see him? I can. There he is. A little drink. I kind of rely quite heavily on that, and I have to keep making sure that it's topped up because the sun obviously evaporates it all. But yeah, it's. Think got a funny feeling this might be the last little stint of fine weather. Oh, don't start being windy again. I've just put this back up today. Yeah, it's really taken a battering. We get the really hot weather, but we get the wind as well. Oh no! Thing is, like when it was down, when it was right down, we didn't have any wind hardly. Now I put it back up again. It's picking up again. I'll show you in the embroidery that I've been doing so far. Look at my bites. I'm getting a lot better at that. Oh, I'll show you what I've been putting on, which is really, really good. Do it for 3 days and it really helps. This, been using that. That's been working really well. Oh, it's a bit warm. It's a little bit warm. It is warm for her. I just hope her ear isn't. She was a bit itchy. She's had a week of antibiotic drops. She's been on these for a week, and I had to cleanse once a day and wait 10 minutes and then do this twice a day. She's finished that, which I'm going to take back to the vets so they can dispose of it. But I just hope, I've got to make an appointment for her to go back for a review, but she's so close to having her vaccinations as well. We want to kind of try and do the two together, don't we? So that you've not got to keep travelling, because you don't like travelling. She don't like travelling. So when she wasn't feeling too good, she was travelling okay. I've got the fan on because it is 30 in here at the moment with the fan on. It's very nice. I've been doing my thread painting, I think they call it. I'm just putting the base down. I didn't know whether to do all of the base shading in or shade as I go along. So then I've just doing the base first and then put the shading over the top, which is probably the wrong way of doing it, but it's the way I like doing it. So yeah, I've been drinking plenty of water, keeping hydrated, keeping cool, and just doing that. Yeah, that is it. For now, anyway.